In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import employees to desks directly from Active Directory. So you can see I have a fairly simple project here. It's just the one floor plan and a bunch of desks. I've used the default StaffMap naming convention, so just iterative names, but you could rename these to fit your own naming conventions. The key point is the name has to match the values that you have in Active Directory. So you can keep these as is or change them to fit your own conventions. From here, we are going to go to the side menu, Tools, Project, Import, and then Settings. We're just going to check that we have the settings input correctly. We can connect to the server and see that we have 19 people to import. Next, we're going to go back to Import and then sync with AD. This is the mapping screen. So at the top, you'll see the dropdowns containing the StaffMap fields. Below that, you'll see the Active Directory attributes listed. So there might be quite a few, so you might have to drag to the right to see them all. But from here, you're just looking for your Active Directory value that contains the desk names. So in my case, I have a custom AD attribute called desk that contains the values, desk 1 to 20, I believe. But this could be in a different field, such as description or the extension attributes or office. So you'll have to find it and then assign it on this screen. So once you have found it, you'll go to the top right and hit sync. You'll see a summary at the bottom left showing the changes that have been made. And as you can see, everyone has been added directly to their desks. So it's worth noting here that if you were to change someone's desk name in Active Directory, for instance, Randall, we'll switch him from desk 11 to desk 20. And jump back into the import. So when we do another sync, we'll see that that change has been detected, and Randall will be updated from desk 11 to desk 20. And there's a summary of that. You'll see in orange the change that's going to be made. And we can see that the change was made. So another point of caution is that if you manually move someone around, so for instance, if we were to move Eric off the floor or off the desk to another location, save that. If we were to jump back into the import settings, so import AD sync, we'll see that change has been detected and will then be overridden the next time you do a sync. So you just need to be careful about whether you're moving people manually or through Active Directory. One option there too is you can do the initial import through Active Directory. And then if you just want to change some information but not change the desks, you can jump back into the import settings, sync with AD, and simply unassign the desk name from the desk attribute. That way it will essentially be ignored, and any other changes would be updated without affecting the desk names.